And good afternoon, Facebook. How are we this afternoon? Well, the rainy, sunny Cheshire has turned into a sunny, sunny Cheshire. So, 2 o'clock on a chippy Friday. Where do you think I'm going next? Answer, bed rest, home, man flu. Got the better of me. But hey ho, we've had a productive day. We've got the new banners up. Look at that. Hey, let me turn you around. New banners for the hub, courtesy of Darren at the DPF Doctor and Dean at Nova Barn. Look at that. It's the first banner we've put up outside. So there we go. It's brilliant. Absolutely loving that. Yeah, powered by years of experience and testing. So just winding things down now. Getting ready for the weekend. 4 rights. Can't go wrong if you go 4 rights. Pickle of Volvo's tucked up safely for the weekend. Remember, Zoom's still on, but that'll be going off now shortly. What else we got going on? That's it. That's about it, really. So we've had a very, very successful week. We've successfully trialled the Oscar V2, the Top Dom remote, and the Core Diagnostics remote this week. We've had a good week for remote diagnostics this week. We've had the little Top Don Ultra Diag. Been beta testing that. It's not a bad little handset at all, that, to be honest. More to come on that. We've got the other banner up. Look at that. DPF Doctor and SimplyDiag, powered by Stronger Together. A handshake means handshake. Yeah, so what an awesome week it's been. What have we got going on next week? Next week we've got Tuesday and Wednesday. We've got 2 delegates coming down from Scotland for 2 ride-alongs. Both obviously got individual memberships. They're coming down for 2 days ride-along training, day each. Then Thursday, we're off to Amsterdam with the doctor himself. Yes, we're going for the DPF Doctor Amsterdam meetup in Almere. So there is a Facebook post for that. There's an event there. If you'd like to register your interest, or if you're going, hit the going tag, and that's on the DPF Doctor Facebook page. We'd love to see you there in Almere. It'll be myself, Darren Darling, obviously head of the DPF Doctor Network, and Diagnosed Dan. So we'll be doing a little bit with DDTSB as well. So that can't be bad, can it, eh? Come see me, Darren and Dan. It's going to be awesome. It really is. Then after that, what are we doing after that? After Amsterdam, week after that, we're in sunny Somerset. We're going down to Bridgewater. We're going down to Technical Topics for the EPROM training course. That's going to be cool, down there for a few days. And then the week after that, we're up to DPF Doctor headquarters up in Ashington. We're going to do some product testing on the Pickler Tools Volvo. Perfect test candidate. So we're going to do some testing, set some faults up on it, all that sort of stuff. That's going to be awesome. And really can't wait for that. So, busy month ahead of me. So, not a lot of availability in the workshop. Apologies in advance if you're trying to book in. But you're pretty much done now till, I don't know, middle end of August now. But I'm sure there's other members of the SimplyDiag Network will help you out. So, don't worry about it. Listen, whatever you're doing this weekend, have an awesome weekend. Remember, you deserve it. You're awesome. Thanks for watching.